Did you just start with Own Easy and you feel like you need a little bit more help getting started? If so, today's video is just for you. I am going to let you be a bug on the wall because I'm going to take you inside of our private meeting with my team, and we are going over marketing strategies. Marketing strategies so that you can get your first 5 right out the gate. All right, we're going into details on what you should be doing every day and how to set your goals. So, if it's your first time here, click on that subscribe button so that you don't miss part 2. I had chopped this up just a little bit because it did go long. I mean, it got that deep. So, these marketing strategies work whether you are a mortgage loan originator, a credit repair advocate, or a home buying advocate. So, stay tuned. It's so many of us. I couldn't tell you either. I could not tell you.
I think her name. See her face. I was looking at it all last night. The first part of it.
Oh, the in the
Yeah,
training
yeah.
talks. Yeah,
What's her name? Man,
I can't think
I'm
either.
with. Can't can't remember password.
Yeah.
Let's see.
All right, y'all. All right, here we go. All right, so this is a marketing strategies for your own easy business. Okay. And
Mhm.
so, like I said, I want to record it because I do know that I'm going to be real busy in the coming months. So it's just best to record this because these strategies can be used in almost any business, right? It really can. These strategies work in everything. So, well, they've worked for a lot of businesses for me. So, what we are going to talk about today, and this is going to be real short too. So, because I want to hear your questions after I get through it. So, this is just going to be really short, just a few slides, but I want to stay on track. So, we are going to talk about how to get started with your own easy business, how to market yourself in the own easy business. We're going to talk about handling objections. We're going to talk about managing clients. All right. How does that sound?
Great.
Good. Let me close these windows.
All right. Can y'all hear me okay? Am I loud and
Yeah,
clear?
I can hear
Yeah.
you. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
People cutting their grass, lawnmowers in the background.
Oh, man.
Getting on my
All
nerves.
right. So let me tell y'all, this one right here is real important. The very first thing, when you sign up for Own Easy and you have made a decision to build a real estate empire or to become a mortgage loan person or a real estate home buying advocate or a credit repair advocate, the first and most important thing you want to do is get your mindset in check. All right.
Mhm.
And let me tell you, mindset is so important because the people who actually know you, they might be the ones to discourage you. They might be the ones to say, they're first of all, the people who know you, they might need your help and they might be the first ones to reject you quickly, right? So sometimes that happens, sometimes it does not. Some people are able to really grow and build their business based on referrals only, people they know, right? But I just want to say, like, get your mind right and like don't allow people to change your mindset because you've already made a decision. You know what you want to do. You know that it's possible to build residual income, monthly payments, okay, in real estate. So just have your mind right. Now my first point, I want to say this is not a job. All right. What I mean by that is there's no manager who's gonna like look after you and say, did you do this? Did you do that? You want to have your mind right and remember this is a business, right? You actually you have actually joined a company where you are building and growing a business within a business. And so that's what I love about it most is because it's like building a business, but you have a bunch of supportive people around you, right? So just we really have to like shift our mindset and just remember nobody's gonna like say, hey, nobody's gonna check on you, right? So you have to make the decision. It's you against you every day. So do you feel you get where I'm coming from with that?
Yes.
It's you against you. I promise you. And I must just say this too. That sometimes when y'all see entrepreneurs and they might seem a little cocky, have y'all ever seen that before?
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay, let me tell you why. Because it's you against you. And so they get that cockiness because they can see their own growth. They can see how much they've accomplished by just really setting goals, going after it, and making it happen. So that's probably why it happens a lot for some people. I'll say that. All right. But yep, just be a go-getter and set your goals and stick to them. All right. So now I didn't discourage y'all, did I? Because y'all
Oh,
sound
no.
kind of quiet right
No. Just taking it in.
now. Okay. Did it make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. All right. If y'all know me by now, y'all know all I know how to do is give it to you straight. And I think that's okay. I think
Yeah.
that's okay.
I like that.
All right, cool, cool. So we'll move forward. All right. So, all right, introduction. And y'all too, I threw this together last minute. So my apologies if stuff don't make sense. I will fix it later. But so basically your very first step once you do join is you want to learn the products. So I was telling Erica that when I first joined on Easy, I went and looked at those presentations every single day. I looked at them every single day for probably the first 2 weeks. Do y'all know why I did that?
To get familiar with it.
Yep.
Yeah.
What?
So knowledgeable when you explaining it to
Yep.
homeowners and clients.
Yep. Yep. That's exactly right. I wanted to really soak it in and learn everything I could about the company. I wanted to hear different people's perspectives. I wanted to hear what different people were saying about the product. So I was there every night, and they have the training in the back office Monday through Thursday. And then on Saturday, Monday through Thursday, I think they're usually at 8 o'clock or 9. And then on Saturdays, 12 o'clock Eastern. So, and then you have to log in to know or to, see what I mean? This is supposed to be white text. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to edit this really quick and I got here late. So this is supposed to be white text, but let's talk about niches. All right. So Erica, let me tell you, Cav and I had a conversation yesterday and me asking him 3 questions about himself or him telling me 3 to 5 things about himself, we were quickly able to identify a niche for him.
Mhm.
And I was telling him he could be super successful with this niche because he's a veteran. He's a veteran. So have y'all heard? I know you have, Cab. Have Erica, have you ever heard of the VA loan? The
Yes.
VA home loan?
Yes.
Okay. And my apologies, y'all, if I'm talking fast, but I
Oh,
had I had some caramel lattes.
oh wow.
I be on a sugar high sometime, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but so yeah, we were able to quickly identify a niche for him. So um, what does this say here? Because clearly I missed this slide. I was editing this from an old presentation I did somewhere else. So let me see here. So Erica, had you thought more about what type of niche you could have?
Not quite.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, so Cav was telling me that he's been to like a couple of wholesaling events. He was like in a wholesaling group. Have you heard of wholesaling real estate before?
Yes.
Okay. So he's done a little bit like that. And then when he said he was a veteran, I was like, whoa, you could do so much just by being
Mhm.
a veteran, right? But here are some ideas, y'all. So these are not necessarily ideas about a niche, but I brought this here up because I want to give you talking points. Now, these talking points, I bring these up because like I was telling Erica, when I first joined Own Easy, I didn't even rush to get my NMLS number. And it's because I knew I had it already, but I needed to reactivate it. But I was trying to learn as much as possible. And I was trying to eliminate my $89 fee as quickly as possible. So I started talking to everybody right away. And I know, and that could be though, because I got a long history in real estate. And so I talk about it anyway, but I wanted to get rid of my $89 fee. So here are some ideas and some talking points that anybody can use, right? You can make a decision. Am I going to be a house buying advocate? Like right now, you don't need to wait on your NMLS number. You can get to work right now and decide, am I going to be a home buying advocate? Erica, you are, both of y'all, you are homeowners. Guess what? You are already ahead of the game than what 60 something percent of Black and brown people. So you can get in front of people like right now today and tell them about the importance of home ownership, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm like,
Yeah,
y'all feeling me?
I was reading all of the information.
So yeah, like, okay, what could some talking points be? If you decide to be a house buying advocate, what could some talking points be based on what you see right here? Renting versus owning, house buying tips, real estate career without going into strange houses. Like what other talking points could there be?
Basically just the top one, renting versus owning. Because when you renting, it is basically you're paying your landlord to be on vacation, especially if their house is already paid for. Because my
Yeah.
last renting, it was like one of my old high school teachers. Her house was already paid for, so she was going on vacation. So and then she wasn't fixing things in the apartment. So that's the big difference compared to owning, where I'm owning my own property. I can go fix something when I need to go fix it. I don't have to wait for nobody, come back from vacation or when they feel like doing it. And I have a tenant, so I learned from my experience from being a renter.
And so is that what made you want to be a homeowner?
Yes, it's nothing like your own. I want
Right,
somebody to pay me, not me paying somebody.
right. How many people do y'all know who has credit issues?
Almost everybody, not everybody, but quite a few people are credit challenged.
Yep,
Debt, a lot of debt.
a lot of people, right? So guess what that means?
Reach out to them, offer them a solution.
Yep, that means you got a lot of clients everywhere. That's what that means. You got a lot. So, how did you like those marketing strategies? Let me know in the comment section below. All right, let me know. Now, before you go, if you are ready to get started building your business within a business, all right, what I need you to do is get back to the person that sent you to this video. And if you happen to just find me, go ahead and text me at 248-504-2993. Text the words MLO, the letters MLO. But if one of my teammates sent you here, be sure to get back with them because you will still be on our team and at our meetings. So be sure to do that. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit like, and I will see you at the top. Take care.